Hello guys, welcome to Kamak channel. This is Elvis. Today I'm in the workshop. We have just finished a side of oil refining machine. For this oil refining machine, each tank with 2000 liters volume, and you can tell there's only two oil tanks. The first tank is for the degumming purpose, and the second tank is for dehydration. This client is using this refining machine for the cold press peanut oil, because they want to keep the original color and the original smell. That's why we don't do the decolorization and deodorization. And by the way, this oil refining machine is adopting thermal oil heating system. We use a vertical furnace. In it, we can burn the wood to working as the fuel, to working at the heat source for this whole system. So if the clients only do degumming and dehydration, they can finish one batch within 4 hours, which means that in one day they can at least process 6 batches, which is 12 tons per day. Now please follow my camera to know more details about it. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, welcome to Kamak channel. Now what we see in front of us is a 2-tank thermal oil heating method oil refinery with a capacity of 2000 liters per batch. The first tank is an open top tank. It can be used for degumming or deacidification purpose. And the second tank is a vacuum tank. It can be used for dehydration and bleaching. But if we are going to do the bleaching, we will need another filter to work with it. This is the first tank, open top design, and inside the tank, we can see a set of spiral pipes. The thermal oil is going through the pipes to heat the edible oil. And this is the second tank. It is a vacuum tank working as a dehydration or bleaching tank. And this is the spiral pipes inside the tank. You can see the difference. There are 2 sets of spiral pipes, one working at the heating pipes and the other one working as the cooling pipes. So we will need a vacuum system to working with the dehydration tank. The key equipment in this vacuum system is the water jet vacuum pump. The water jet vacuum pump is made of 5 parts: the motors, pumps, jet nozzles, buffer tank, and water tank. And we will have a pipe connection between the vacuum tank and the vacuum system. In order to improve the working efficiency of the oil refining machine, we will have a water pump. It will circulate the normal temperature water inside the cooling spiral pipes to cool the edible oil temperature down quickly. This oil pump is used to transport the edible oils between the tanks. The thermal oil heating system is mainly composed of a thermal oil furnace, a low-level tank, a high-level tank, a circulating oil pump, a makeup oil pump, an oil inlet pipeline, an oil return pipeline, and heat transfer oil coils in the tanks. First, in the thermal oil furnace, we can choose firewood, coal, or biomass pellets as fuels for combustion. The heat generated heats the thermal oil, which is then pumped through the circulating oil pump. The heated thermal oil is sent into the thermal oil spiral pipes in the refining tanks, via thermal oil pipes, and the edible oil in the refining tank is heated through heat exchange. After that, the thermal oil returns to the thermal oil furnace through the oil return pipeline to be reheated, and this process circles repeatedly. Now let's look at the control system. As we can see, the power indicator, emergency stop, voltage and current meter, and speed controller for the mixer. And down here on the panels, we can see the indicators and on and off switches, like for the mixer, for the pumps, etc. Everything with Chinese and English labels, which makes the operation very clear and easy for the users.